There, this is Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi, and in our certificate I am Dr. Virendra Kumar Chaudhary, a PhD from IIT Kharagpur in physics and meteorology. And here I am at the filling station of Nayara. I love Nayara so much. I stay in Bibinagar, Nani city. I have couples of bikes, adventure bikes, and Gurkha and all these adventure cars and SUVs, off-road. I always come here because somehow I am so much infatuated and so much in deep love with Nayara. You know, Nayara is a earlier ISAR company in collaboration with Russian company. It is doing excellent job. My vehicle gives more mileage. It is giving much more mileage, and once you are going for diesel, you get ₹1 discount always. Automatically it is fed in the dispenser. So that is really the added dimension of Nayara. I'm a great fan of Nayara, friends. People are always busy with all the Indian companies, SPCL, BHP, IOCL and all, but I have a lot of trust in this great company, earlier ISAR. Wonderful. But this company now is giving only diesel and petrol. I wish this ISARA should also extend its services to CNG gases and all, that will really give some added dimension. Friends, it is wonderful. It's very beautiful. Service is great. This fuel station belongs to one of my best friend, NRI, who has spent a lot of years in Netherlands, Holland and the European countries. But he wanted to serve his motherland, and so he landed in India. And the first task he had in his mind to get a filling station for Nayara Energy, and his dreams are now fulfilled. He has been running these filling stations for a lot of years. Things are well. Everything is wonderful. The road is coming from Bibinagar. It is called Brahmanapalli Road. It is a developing area. Nayara will have to expand its facilities to larger and larger space. Small is beautiful. You see, it's wonderful. You can see our women folk also driving all these wonderful scooters, bikes and everything. And the motto is so great here, it's very enchanting. Fueling your confidence. Fueling your confidence. Naye India ka Nayara. Nayara means the best, in Hindi you can say. And here you get a lot of good things here. You are getting clean drinking water and wonderful washroom and automatic dispensers, and you will get free air and nitrogen both filling systems. Okay, dear friends, so this is really a very remarkable and very, very inspiring thing. It is designed in a very systematic way, and I love it and like it, and I get a lot of joy to come here, traveling near about 10 kilometers from Bibinagar, but I love it and like it, so see, the price is written there very clearly. It is very clearly mentioned here. Nayara petrol 107.32, diesel 95.99. It is definitely the rate which is fixed by the government of India time to time. And our finance minister and all these people, they are really indulged in all these kind of fixing the price. It is a beautiful office here, you can say. This is a remarkable, beautiful office, a small but beautiful. Then you see there is a washroom facilities, and there is dressing room, and all these wonderful things you can find here. And you can see very, very remarkable and wonderful thing happening here. These boys are really wonderful, dedicated, committed, giving the best service. You can find in different states and different places some manipulation, some kind of adulteration, but this is a different unit run by a great electronics engineer, computer engineer, my best friend Mr. Santosh Reddy sir. So here you will see the great sense of service. It is just not for money. Money we don't worry. We go extra mile, remember it. We go extra mile. This is our attitude. Being a great professor of IIT Kharagpur and a great dedicated, committed patriot, we work to serve the people of India. That's our motto. We don't just work for money. Money will come if you really serve better. Who can stop money? Money is the secondary thing, but first is the best service. Thanks. It's a wonderful place. Lot of instructions, lot of good thing happening here. And these are my friends. He's Hiralal. He's Hiralal not just by name, but he's a Hira, diamond. He loves the customers. He offers tea to the customers. And whatever serve they want, Hiralal is giving. Hiralal ji, namaste.
नमस्ते नमस्ते
मोतिहारी से है कि मुजफ्फरपुर से?
मुजफ्फरपुर से हैं।
एलएस कॉलेज के नज़दीक से है।
हाँ नजदीक से है।
और तेलंगाना बहुत अच्छा है।
अच्छा है।
तो बोले जय तेलंगाना।
जय तेलंगाना।
हाँ, वी लव तेलंगाना। थैंक यू। आपका नाम क्या है सर? शंकर। केवल शंकर या कुछ और उसमें जुड़ता है? शंकर है, महादेव के अवतार है, राइट? हर हर महादेव, ओम शिव शंकर। प्यारे दोस्तों, ये हमारे किसान भाइयों के लिए उपलब्ध है। लुक एट माय फ्रेंड्स, ही इज अ वंडरफुल फार्मर फ्रॉम दिस लोकेलिटी। नमस्कारम बाबूनारा। बाबूनारा,
బాగున్నాం.
oh great, you see my friend, thank you so much. And this is the feeding station
Anda.
where everyone come here. Friends, this is the meaning of life. Live for others. Don't be selfish. Don't be cunning. I see a lot of other petrol bunks, they do some kind of manipulation. They add some kind of dirty things. They dilute the petrol. They dilute the diesel. Recently I've heard a wonderful scam happened in some of the states. When Chief Minister was going with his caravan, his 21 Innova car stopped in the way, and after verification it was found that the bunk owner, bloody son of the bitch, the criminal, the cruel man, the dishonest, the corrupt fellow, has put some water in diesel. You see what is happening? These fools are just working for money. But people like me go extra mile. We love our people, we want to serve our people. Little money is enough. We are contented. But joy is giving the best service. With a very kind, affectionate, loving manner. That's my attitude, friend. I teach everyone. Do whatever you do with a sense of service, not to just earn money. Money will come other way, but money is not going anywhere. Namaskaram. See my sister, lovely sister, she is coming here to clean the environment. Dr. Santosh, being a wise man, he understands the significance of cleanliness in just next to God. Everything is wonderful, everything is remarkable. So my best wishes to everyone, to Mr. Hiralal, Mr. Shankar. Mean Perama? Me per? Mangamma garu, dhanavadam. Manchi undi na mottam? Bagunara? Oh, I love you all. Thank you very much. Friends, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.